I mean, it's really easy to use. It's it's a huge time saver, and I just feel like we get so much more done, or we were able to get so much more done since we've had it. It cuts down on so much time where compared to a photography setup. Literally, once it scans, we could walk over any of these computers and start editing right away. My name is John Stendrini. I work here at Soundwaves Art Foundation. We're a nonprofit organization that creates artwork based on the soundwave files of popular songs from musical artists of every genre. Tim Wakefield, the founder and art director, creates an abstract piece of art based on the soundwave file. We work with the musician, so they're aware of this happening. Oftentimes the musicians come to us, and a piece of art is created. We print them. The musicians sign them. Sometimes they add lyrics and what have you. And then we sell these pieces for charity. All profits go to charity. Okay, so for example, we've been very lucky to work with Robert Smith from The Cure quite a few times. He's been really good to us. And when we send these out and then they get signed by Robert, as you can see, there's a signature here. So we have used oil on canvas paintings that we've scanned, and they look really great, especially with all the light variations, where you could see where you're able to adjust the angle of where the light is coming from. That's like a really beautiful feature on the scanner. We're pretty satisfied with just the raw scan that we get, but there always needs to be a little bit of tweaking because we do print on a glossy canvas. So it's though you get the texture and and the lighting is even. Photography setup is like, you got to unroll it, you got to put it on temporarily stretch it, mount it, make sure test the camera, everything. It's time consuming, and we are a nonprofit, so we're a really small team. So that was one of the things that we came across. One of the big things that has saved us a lot of time once we've gotten the scanner. The job is so much more simple using the scanner as far as any post edits that we need to do. It probably cuts our time in half if I had to guess. Maybe even more than that.